Hi, this is Deb from Business Building Shortcuts, and I'm here to show you an amazing little piece of software that can change your list building efforts tremendously. Are you getting tired of building other people's lists when you market affiliate products? Or are you tired of sending people to other people's blogs or other interesting places on the internet, including your own Facebook and Twitter accounts, and not being able to capture their names? This is your answer. If you're in any of these situations described on this sheet, affiliate marketing, network marketing, where there are corporate sites, Facebook, you are going to love this piece of software. Let me show you what I mean. When you want to set up a new instant capture opt-in box or page, you come here and log in and you'll see a screen that looks like this. It should say welcome and whatever name you gave it when you joined. You want to go up to ICP Creator and create new page. Next you'll see a page that looks like this, and it's going to walk you through step by step. So this is step one. We're going to create the capture page. So I'm going to set up a sample capture page. I'm not really setting this up for use, so if you go there to check it out, it's not going to have this effect, all right? But this is just for a sample, then I'm going to remove it. So I want to set one up for an affiliate program with ClickBank that we promote, John Angel's Copywriting Crash Course. So you put the name of the page. This is just to remind you of which page this opt-in box is living on. The URL, and you can see that's my hop link, and then some kind of a unique code that you'll be able to trace. You might want to give it a numerical ID, and then you can tell it, do you want it when it's loaded or when someone tries leaving the site? And I want it to be a certain amount of time after the page is loaded. And you just click continue to step 2, and it's going to let you upload a photo. Now if you have a photo of the actual bribe that you're offering in return for opting in, that would be a great thing to upload here. And I'm going to skip that for right now. Setting a background color, you just hover over this and it'll let you pick any of these colors, and I'm going to make it blue. 500 by 300 is the recommended size, and I'm just going to leave it at that. And then it asks, do you want to give people the option of closing the opt-in window without opting in? Well, in this case I do, because if they don't want to give me their name and address, but they still might want the product, I would still like to earn a commission for that. So I'm going to ask, but I'm not going to insist. This next one sets the amount of time that you'll see that page that they think they're going to without an obstruction when they click on the link. And then after this many seconds, it's going to show your opt-in box, which grays out the page. I'm going to change it to 4 seconds. Then if you're using this system to maintain the list, it can monitor whether or not someone has already opted in and stop showing the page at that point. But now the one thing to remember is that this opt-in box, even though you're putting it on a page like a ClickBank affiliate page or a Twitter page, it's not attached to that page as much as it is attached to the link they click. So if they go to that page again without clicking the link that triggers this opt-in box, they're not going to see that opt-in box. So now this is where you type your headline or what you want the text to read, and I'm going to pause the video while I type that in. I've entered some text, and now I can use these to do some pretty advanced text editing to pretty it up. All of those are functions, but I'm going to stop there because this is just about how to create this. If you wanted to add a video to play, such as something hosted on YouTube, you could put the embed code there. Then you just click continue to step 3. At this point you determine whether you want the system to save the emails for you, set it up to your own autoresponder, or use it to build your Twitter list. And I'm going to hook it up to my own autoresponder. Now here's where you would paste the code from your autoresponder. And the only thing that you need to change in there is that your thank you URL has to be this line. And the my site right here, that is not something you change to the name of your site. You just copy this line and paste it into the thank you URL spot. So here is my code from Kickstart Cart from my autoresponder, and as you can see here it says thank you URL value equals, and it has that line from up here put in there exactly. That's what you want it to read. Now you would use your own code, of course, but that's the line, and this is easy to mess up, so don't get creative with this. Just copy and paste that line and then click continue to step 4. Here is where you get to set an exit option. If you want a pop-up to happen when people try to leave your page, you can set it here, but I'm going to leave it set to no, and it's done. Wow, that doesn't take very long, does it, when you consider the power of this little box. Now all you've got left to do is to test this to make sure that it actually works. Just a couple quick things. As you can see, this URL is the one that you would click. Now note down here that visitors will only see this opt-in box, I mentioned this before, if they come to your site through the link above. So if you created a link to a ClickBank product, but you didn't market this link and instead you kept on just putting your affiliate link, your straight hop link from ClickBank, people aren't going to see the opt-in box. You need to market this link. You need to promote this link. They've shortened it here using a bit.ly URL. You can also take this, because it's not a very pretty one. I mean, people can see that something's going to happen when they get there, so they may not want to click on that. So what you might want to do is shorten that using BudURL or some other feature, but here it is shorter. So let's just click on it and see what happens when we do so. Great, it takes us to the page. This is the page it should go to. Wonderful, and there after about 4 seconds is the opt-in box that we had asked it to do. Now because I said yes, I wanted them to be able to click. There's a close button here that they could click and go directly to the page, or they can enter their name and primary email and click this, and then it will disappear and it will take them to the page. So just so you can see what this looks like, it works the same way whether you enter your name and email and click yes, give me the headlines, or click close. When that happens, it will disappear and you will actually have access to the page. So that's all there is to creating an opt-in box that can live just about anywhere on the internet that you want it to live. It's an awesome little piece of software, and I encourage you to use it to create your own opt-in boxes. All right, wasn't that amazing? Now, if you liked that little piece of information, that little tip that we gave you, you might want to come over to our blog, and we have a lot more information. We'd love to have your comments. We'd love to know what things you would like to see us do. And if you'd like to buy the software, right here, budurl.com/ICPG for Instant Capture Page. You can go there and claim your copy of this amazing tool. That is our affiliate link, and we recommend that when you get there, you join the affiliate program and promote it as well. So go out there and create amazing links and build your list. Thanks.